Finding a destination that offers both beauty and safety is a top priority for travelers. As 2024 begins, the desire to see and learn about new places and countries is stronger than ever. We've put together a list of the 15 best countries to visit in 2024 to help you plan your next trip. Before we start, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any of our latest updates. Let's get started. Number 1. Portugal. Portugal is appealing not only for its less crowded areas, but also for the high level of order and safety in its towns. However, travelers should be cautious on public transportation, as pickpockets may target busy areas. Portugal's sunny weather is attractive, but requires awareness of potential risks like sunstroke and forest fires in the summer. Number 2. Ireland. Ireland is becoming more popular among travel lovers, ranking higher this year. Despite a small rise in petty thefts, especially in big cities, Ireland is safer than many US cities and other European places, with only 69 homicides in 2022. The beautiful coastline roads and picturesque scenery make it an attractive destination. Number 3. Denmark. Denmark offers a secure and welcoming environment for travelers. The country consistently ranks high in global safety indexes, with low crime rates and well-maintained public spaces. Whether exploring the vibrant city of Copenhagen or enjoying the tranquility of the countryside, visitors can feel at ease knowing that Denmark prioritizes the well-being of its residents and guests. Number 4. France. France stands out for its excellent transportation safety and health measures, making it a desirable destination. Although concerns about terrorism exist, staying alert during demonstrations is crucial. Opting for local cuisine instead of familiar fast food enhances the overall experience, contributing to the charm of this culturally vibrant country. Number 5. Netherlands. The Netherlands is still a popular vacation spot, even though its ranking has slightly dropped. Amsterdam, known as one of the safest cities globally, contributes to the country's reputation for being safe and welcoming. While the State Department advises caution against pickpockets in tourist spots, overall safety is impressive. Number 6. Japan. With Japan's low crime rates and friendly atmosphere, travelers can explore the beautiful landscapes, bustling cities, and rich cultural heritage without much worry. The Japanese people are known for their politeness and helpfulness, making visitors feel welcome and secure. Number 7. Norway. Norway offers a peaceful and secure environment for travelers. With low crime rates and a strong emphasis on social welfare, visitors can explore its stunning landscapes, from fjords to mountains, without worrying about safety concerns. The friendly locals and well-maintained infrastructure add to the overall sense of security, making Norway an ideal destination. Number 8. Switzerland. Switzerland is famous for its beautiful mountains and lakes. The country is really organized and the crime rate is low. Whether you're exploring cities like Zurich or enjoying the Swiss Alps, you can relax and have a worry-free trip. Switzerland is a top choice for a safe and enjoyable visit this year. Number 9. Spain. Spain's relaxed Mediterranean atmosphere and a low crime rate of 48.8 per 100,000 people make it a safe destination. Whether exploring vibrant cities like Barcelona or elsewhere, it's wise to be careful with passports. Being cautious without being overly worried enhances the enjoyment of Spain's welcoming and friendly vibe. Number 10. Canada. Canada's cold weather and sparse population make it a perfect spot for adventurous travelers. Despite occasional issues with wildfires impacting air quality in cities, the country boasts an impressive safety record. With a low occurrence of violent crime and gun-related incidents, Canada is exceptionally safe for tourists. Number 11. United Kingdom. The United Kingdom is widely recognized as one of the safest countries to visit in 2024. With its strong emphasis on law and order, visitors can explore its picturesque landscapes, historic sites, and vibrant cities without major concerns for safety. The UK's efficient public transportation, including well-maintained trains and buses, makes it easy for tourists to navigate the country securely. Number 12. Iceland. Iceland's safety is attributed to its low crime rates and a strong sense of community. Travelers can explore the mesmerizing geysers, majestic waterfalls, and the enchanting northern lights without worrying about their safety. The country's commitment to maintaining a peaceful environment makes it an ideal destination. Number 13. New Zealand. New Zealand is a very safe place with a low homicide rate of 0.7 per 100,000, making it secure for visitors. The country pays close attention to biosecurity, even taking steps like sanitizing hiking boots. With diverse landscapes and changing weather, New Zealand offers an exciting yet safe vacation experience. Number 14. Australia. Australia boasts a high safety ranking with low crime rates. Despite potential threats from various wildlife, visitors can ensure safety by taking precautions like using sunscreen. Australia's stunning landscapes and distinctive ecology make it a tourist destination where safety and natural beauty seamlessly come together. Number 15. Brazil. Brazil is known for its vibrant culture, stunning landscapes, and friendly people. Brazil has made significant efforts to enhance its safety for tourists. The country has implemented various measures to ensure the well-being of visitors, making it a top choice for those seeking a delightful travel experience. I hope you have enjoyed watching the video. Like and share the video and follow us for more such content. Thanks for watching.